we got a new couch for the backyard. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this wicker patio couch. Eleanor's like, it's mine. I don't care what anybody says. This is mine, and I am going to lay on it for days. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So, Jamie and I also did an assembly showing of this, and it was really easy to assemble. It actually only took us about 15 minutes to get the whole thing together. As you can tell with Eleanor jumping on and off of it, it is really, really stable. The legs are made of metal. They have like a little non-slip thing on the bottom of them. It's pretty heavy when it's all put together, so it's not really gonna go anywhere. The bottom mat ties to the back, so that'll stay in place. And then the others are like pillows. You can have them on there, not have them on there, whatever makes you happy. Eleanor likes the pillows, so she's of course gonna jump up there and show how comfy it is. It's actually pretty comfy. Jamie and Eleanor were just sitting on it just now while we were testing it out. Let me give you an all the way around view of this. I like the color on it. Are you smooshing? Are you smooshing them pillows? So, as I said, these pillows are kind of, movable. You can take them on and off. They kind of are like, they're heavier than you would think. So I don't think they're really going to blow around anywhere, but they don't have ties. The pillows don't have ties. They do have a zipper on them though, so you can always replace the tops or take them off and wash them if need be. This part here, this is actually, can you see? That's actually pretty nice. It's really comfortable. I mean, or you could of course take it all off and just use it as a wicker couch if you really wanted to. But honestly, it's pretty nice. Of course, it is black. Maybe it should have been white for this house because the dogs are going to sit on it and they are going to get dog fur all over it, because that is what we do in this house. And play on it. You can't take the pillows off the couch. Size-wise, this is not a dog couch. This is a people couch. Size-wise, 2 people could fit on this. They'd be pretty close together, but 2 people could definitely fit on it, or you could sit on it with your dog. For reference, Memphis is about 54 pounds. She's kind of in the middle of it here, but just look at how cute she is. There's so much cuteness going on here. What do you think? The covers on everything is like, it's not waterproof. It's what I would call more water resistant. So like water will bead up and come off of it, but if you have a cover, you should cover it if you know it's going to rain, or take the cushions in if you know it's going to rain. It's just going to help everything last longer. Just like any standard patio furniture, it's not completely waterproof, but it is pretty nice. What do you think, Memphis? Do you approve? Oh, remember how I just mentioned something about what it does when it rains? This is what it does. So like I said, it's not like waterproof, but it's water resistant. See how the water beads up and kind of just falls off of there? Beads up, falls off. Pretty cool that it rained shortly after making the video. Now you guys can kind of see what it does. So it beads up and comes off of there. And there is stuff that you can use to treat your outdoor patio furniture to make sure that it keeps doing this. But for now, this is already, it's so cool. Anyway, back to the rest of the video. In conclusion, I think we approve of this patio couch. I was wondering if you were going to jump down or if you were going to lay down. Pretty cool.